To check your transaction history on Epic Games, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games accounts. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you use the account associated with your purchases. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Transactions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Transactions tab on the left side. Click on it to view your transaction history. Step 4. Review your transaction history. You will see a list of all your transactions, including purchases, refunds, and any other financial activities. You can scroll through the list to find specific transactions. Step 5. Download transaction history optional. If you need a record of your transactions, look for an option to download your transaction history. This may be available in the same section or under a different tab. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Epic Games. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.